We have a fun little navy group here today that I'm going to show you. I forgot to take one rubber band off, so sorry. And this is a group that I just love because it just blends well together, and I'll tell you for different reasons. So this first one is 100% cotton. Now it's a stretch woven and it's got some like little butterflies through it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful pattern. It's a tone on tone, and it's just simply lovely. 100% cotton, stretch woven, and a true navy. It's lovely, just pretty. This is a border print, and what we see right now, it's 100% viscose, 100% cotton, I'm sorry. What we're seeing right now in fashion is border prints are just everywhere. This is a dual bordered, the same border exactly repeats on the bottom. It's 60 inches wide, so you've got plenty of middle room if you need it. This is a cotton poly. It's the solid navy. The reason I put this in is the drape is incredible. Again, when I was in Italy and we were shopping, I saw these beautiful dense fabrics that had great drape. This is that one. It is navy. It would be awesome for a pair of pants, period, end of story. And it's just lovely. And I'm sorry I forgot another rubber band. This is 100% cotton. It's a little gingham, not much left, just not much yardage left. 100% cotton, and it's just adorable. It's a stretch woven, stretch in one directions. This is a cotton poly, and it is a panel. Now we had this up before. We've just got a few yards left, so I put it back up with this navy group. But it's just stunning. The panel has the border runs from selvage to selvage, so it's actually a panel. The panel is about 1 yard, and it has a lace effect. I'm going to leave that there just so you can see it for a minute. It's just stunning. And then this last one is a cotton poly, and it's a very light blue tone on tone. You can see it's not, I can't really make out to be anything it is. It looks almost like a little floral, but it's really just a design that's tone on tone. Very pretty cotton poly, light blue, perfect for spring and summer. All right, and the goal, as you know, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.